Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the BRONC V2 tattoo machine rotary pen style, equipped with a Coreless motor and a powerful 2000 mAh battery. This advanced tattoo machine offers a 9.0 volts jump start and OCP overload protection, ensuring smooth, reliable performance, while its design allows for independent operation or connection to an additional power source via an optional RCA connector. With a high-performance Swiss motor delivering an incredible 11,000 revolutions per minute speed, this lightweight machine, weighing just 230 grams and measuring 142 millimeters in length and 32 millimeters in diameter, is perfect for long tattooing sessions. The long-lasting battery life is a game-changer, as the two replaceable batteries charge in just 2 to 3 hours and provide an impressive 7 to 9 hours of continuous tattooing. Versatility is key, with a standard 3.5 mm stroke length and adjustable needle depth ranging from 0 to 4 mm, making it ideal for both lining and shading. The complete package includes the V2 tattoo pen, a Type-C cord, 2 batteries, a charger, an RCA head replacement, and O-rings, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. Don't miss out on experiencing the cutting-edge technology and convenience of the BRONC V2 tattoo machine, designed to elevate your tattooing artistry to new heights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.